Every recycled bike begins its journey here, among forgotten steel and rust.
What looks like waste still holds valuable raw material.
Each component must be separated before recycling can begin.
Heavy machinery now takes control of the load.
Every kilogram is measured for precise material planning. Surface contamination is stripped away before transport. Even wastewater is carefully managed. Prepared scrap now awaits its next destination. Uniform bundles ensure safe and efficient transport.
Everything is staged for movement.
The recycling chain begins to accelerate. Raw material is now officially on the move.
Safety and stability are non-negotiable.
The journey to rebirth is underway.
Old bikes now head toward transformation. Tons of scrap metal travel miles to reach rebirth.
The heart of recycling beats inside these facilities.
Every load is logged and tracked.
Safety locks everything in place.
Material flow officially begins. Transport ends, processing begins. Nothing is left unaccounted for.
Attention shifts fully inside.
This is where transformation lives. Steel flows like a river.
Humans guide the machines.
The real work begins now. A giant system built for rebirth. Skilled hands keep systems alive.
Scale defines this operation.
Heavy lifting awaits. No pauses allowed.
Visibility ensures precision. Human control remains essential.
Material intelligence begins. Each metal has a destiny. Nothing goes to waste.
Every gram is recovered.
Oversight never stops.
A synchronized machine. Next comes purification. Decades of grime disappear. Oil and grease are eliminated. Clean metal reacts better. Waste is filtered, reused.
Moisture has no place here.
Quality starts early.
Physics does the sorting.
Different metals, different paths.
Errors are not allowed.
Material waits its turn.
Transformation approaches.
Power demands respect. Safety is survival.
Metal meets fire.
The past melts away.
Purity is engineered, not hoped for. Liquid metal moves with precision. Shape returns through controlled casting. New beginnings are poured, not assembled. Cooling locks strength into place. Raw structure is reborn. Imperfections are stripped away. Only perfect material continues. Temperature defines flexibility. Now, form can be created. Accuracy begins before force. Transformation accelerates. Strength is shaped under pressure. Each pass refines the structure. Microns matter at this scale. Machines respond instantly. Controlled cooling stabilizes strength. Perfect alignment is mandatory. Size is standardized. And those modern elite painters bike frames begin to emerge. Strength is locked permanently. Patience ensures durability. Parts prepare for assembly. Order enables speed. Structure takes recognizable form. Old metal becomes a new skeleton. A bike is now possible. Automation carries momentum. Perfection is refined. Clean air protects workers. Cleanliness repeats. Preparation never skips steps. Protection meets aesthetics. Heat locks color forever. Durability is sealed.
Ready for final precision.
Every frame is traceable.
Data drives control.
Flow never stops. Timing is everything. Human hands return.
Machines build, humans finish.
Function joins form. Motion is engineered.
Safety is precise.
Control takes shape. Comfort is adjusted. Every bolt matters.
Straight lines ride better. Smooth motion lasts longer. Performance is tested. Stopping power verified.
Details define quality.
Identity is added.
Ready for judgment.
Final approval awaits.
Standards decide fate.
Strength is proven. Endurance is measured.
Stopping saves lives. Stopping saves lives.
Real-world conditions recreated.
Finish must last.
Weather resistance ensured.
No deviation allowed.
Comfort meets engineering. Quiet equals quality.
Approved for the world.
Standards are unforgiving.
Scale meets consistency.
The final phase begins.
Almost complete.
Prepared for delivery.
Protection first.
Travel-ready form.
Contained securely.
Destination defined. Scale returns. Stability guaranteed.
Awaiting dispatch.
Global movement planned.
Ready to travel.
From scrap to precision.
Industry at scale.
Work complete.
And this is how modern factories produce bikes from start to finish.
Subscribe for more Inside Manufacturing Factory breakdowns.
Welcome to our Inside Manufacturing Factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tomato sauce is made, step by step.
It all begins with fresh, sun-ripened tomatoes arriving daily. Thousands of kilograms of premium tomatoes are delivered each shift. Only the ripest, perfectly red tomatoes are selected. Advanced optical sorters ensure consistent quality. Tomatoes are thoroughly washed to remove field residue. Agitation and bubbles gently clean every surface. Brief steam blanching prepares the skins for easy removal.
Mechanical rollers remove skins without damaging flesh.
Vacuum assistance ensures complete skin removal. The fresh pulp moves to large holding tanks. Seeds are gently removed while preserving texture. Premium herbs and spices arrive for flavoring. Pure salt is precisely measured for each batch.
Fresh aromatics are prepared separately.
High-quality olive oil is added for richness.
Sugar balances the natural acidity of tomatoes. Vinegar enhances flavor and preservation.
Everything is ready for the cooking phase.
The tomato pulp is loaded into industrial cooking kettles. Fresh onions and garlic create the aromatic base.
Classic Italian herbs are added at the perfect moment.
Salt enhances flavor while sugar balances acidity.
A touch of vinegar brightens the sauce.
Every parameter is carefully monitored. Constant agitation prevents scorching and ensures even cooking.
Hours of slow simmering concentrate natural flavors.
Natural evaporation creates richer consistency.
Expert tasting ensures perfect seasoning.
Minor adjustments perfect the flavor profile.
The sauce now has its signature velvety texture.
Jars are sterilized at high temperature for safety. All containers are meticulously cleaned. Precision filling begins at high speed. Hot filling at 90 degrees Celsius ensures long shelf life. Vacuum prevents oxidation. Caps are applied with perfect torque. Squeeze bottles are filled without air pockets. Modern pouches offer convenient packaging.
Aseptic packaging allows room temperature storage.
Controlled cooling prevents thermal shock. Every label is verified for accuracy. Clear date coding ensures traceability.
Acidity is checked for safety and taste.
Consistency matches brand standards exactly.
Micro-testing ensures absolute safety.
Human senses confirm exceptional flavor.
Products await distribution in perfect conditions.
Orders are prepared with precision.
The sauce begins its journey to stores worldwide. Every shipment is tracked from factory to shelf. Production runs 24 hours to meet demand. Equipment is thoroughly cleaned between batches. Regular maintenance ensures reliability. Water is treated and reused whenever possible.
Renewable energy reduces our footprint.
Our team is the heart of quality production.
Continuous training maintains excellence.
This is absolutely perfect. We nailed the citrus notes.
I agree. The viscosity is spot on.
Innovation keeps our sauces exciting.
Every day, we craft sauce with passion and precision.
Only perfect batches are released.
Full traceability from farm to table. Our sauce reaches tables worldwide. Cold chain maintains freshness.
Efficient distribution ensures availability.
Finally reaching your kitchen table.
Ready to become part of your favorite meals.
Trusted by chefs around the world.
Your satisfaction drives everything we do.
We never stop improving our process.
Strong partnerships ensure the best tomatoes.
Sustainability guides our future packaging.
Smart systems reduce environmental impact.
We give back to the communities we serve.
From our factory to tables across the globe. A tradition of quality continues. Made possible by our dedicated team. Premium tomato sauce, crafted with care.
And that's how tomato sauce is made. Daniel brought it from start to finish.
By optimizing the energy grid across the sectors, we project a 40% increase in efficiency.
In the heart of tropical regions, the journey of custard apple begins with careful hand harvesting. Lufna. Only perfectly ripe fruits are selected to ensure maximum sweetness and quality.
Delicate handling at every step prevents damage to this fragile tropical treasure.
All fruit from surrounding fields converges here for initial consolidation.
On-site quality checks ensure only premium custard apples continue the journey.
Temperature-controlled transport preserves freshness from farm to factory. Within hours, the fresh harvest begins its journey to the processing facility. Modern infrastructure ensures rapid delivery to maintain peak quality. The raw custard apples arrive at the state-of-the-art processing factory. Seamless transfer from transport to production begins immediately. From here, the transformation into premium desserts truly begins.
Strict hygiene protocols are enforced from the very first step inside.
The custard apples now enter the crucial cleaning and sorting phase.
Upon entering the facility, the fruits immediately begin the transport through hygiene zones.
Excess water drains away as fruits advance to intensive cleaning. Individual fruits are now released for detailed inspection and grading. Vibration ensures even distribution for thorough quality assessment. Elevation change optimizes factory flow and gravity assistance. The sorted harvest now enters the heart of transformation. Core processing begins with efficient pulp and seed separation. Seeds are cleanly separated for potential byproduct use. Multiple sieving stages ensure silky smooth consistency. Gentle pasteurization eliminates microbes while protecting flavor. Pasteurized pulp is now ready for formulation into desserts. Precise recipe additions transform pulp into dessert base. Homogenization creates the signature smooth texture consumers expect. High-pressure homogenization ensures long shelf life and stability. Rapid cooling locks in freshness before packaging. Modern automation now takes over for precision and speed. High-tech automation begins with flawless container positioning. Volumetric fillers ensure every portion is identical. Zero-waste design captures every gram of product.
Hermetic sealing protects flavor and extends shelf life.
Gradual cooling sets the perfect dessert texture.
Automated labeling provides traceability and branding. Machine vision rejects any imperfect units instantly. Robotic packing achieves speeds impossible by hand. Secondary packaging prepares products for distribution. Final sealing ensures safe transport and storage. Traceability coding meets global food safety standards. Automated palletizing optimizes warehouse space usage. Interlocked layers ensure safe handling during shipping. Stretch wrapping protects against dust and damage. Finished products now await final verification before release.
Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control testing.
Food safety begins with microbial analysis.
Standard plating methods detect any potential contaminants. Chemical parameters confirm recipe accuracy. Human senses provide the final quality judgment.
Only fully verified batches proceed to storage.
Temperature-controlled storage preserves product quality. Digital inventory ensures perfect order fulfillment.
Dispatch begins with careful truck loading.
Experienced teams optimize load stability.
Sealed and documented, products begin their journey to market. Final checkpoint confirms everything is in order.
From orchard to table, the process completes its cycle.
A perfect blend of nature and technology delivers sweetness worldwide. Driverless vehicles optimize internal logistics. Sensors prevent downtime through predictive alerts.
Sustainable systems reduce environmental impact.
Zero discharge policies recycle water responsibly.
Virtual reality enhances safety training. Digital twins enable precise process optimization. Daily calibration maintains robotic precision. Data-driven decisions drive continuous improvement. Automated sanitation ensures hygiene between batches.
Round-the-clock operation meets market demand.
Drones assist in hard-to-reach inspections.
Blockchain provides unbreakable traceability.
Continuous innovation expands the product range.
This is perfect. Exactly the right consistency.
We nailed the custard apple notes.
Automated cartoning prepares retail displays. Our point-of-sale packaging is designed to encourage impulse purchases right off the shelf. Final safety check eliminates foreign objects. Security features build consumer trust.
Non-contact coating maintains hygiene.
Customized palletizing meets diverse retail needs.
Continuous monitoring protects product integrity.
Compliance documentation enables global reach. Sea export containers carry products worldwide.
Regional trucks supply nearby markets quickly.
Welcome to Mental Proudly Fishing Liberation Persian.
24-hour teams maintain continuous production.
All levels are nominal, but keep an eye on the pressure valve in Sector 4.
Understood. The interface looks good.
The factory never sleeps, delivering sweetness around the clock.
The overnight data confirms the purity levels are exceptional.
Agreed. We are cleared for release.
Daily review ensures consistent excellence.
Supplier quality control starts at the gate. Pure water is fundamental to product safety.
Strict allergen management protects consumers. Packaging integrity prevents spoilage. Accelerated and real-time testing confirms shelf life.
Every feedback drives better quality.
Are these temperature logs checked at every shift change?
Yes, daily. We ensure they are within the critical limits.
Regular audits maintain highest standards.
Personal hygiene is non-negotiable. Integrated pest management protects the facility. Accurate instruments ensure reliable results.
So remember, cross-contamination is key. Any questions?
Yes, what about the new log sheets?
Continuous education maintains vigilance. ALJK. All clear this way.
Preparedness ensures worker safety.
Third-party certifications validate commitment.
Dedicated teams make excellence possible every day. From fresh tropical fruit to premium desserts, complete.
Controlled conditions preserve freshness until delivery.
Precision picking ensures perfect deliveries.
Clear labeling prevents shipping errors.
Welcome to our inside manufacturing factory.
Today, exactly.
How are you? Fireworks, subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
It all begins with the arrival of essential raw materials.
Each component is carefully inspected for quality.
Stored safely in controlled environments. Precise measurements ensure perfect formulations. Safety is paramount from the start. Safety is paramount from the start. Safety is paramount from the start.
Sorting refines the base elements. Sorting refines the base elements.
Binders hold the magic together. Binders hold the magic together. Colors are born from precise chemicals.
Controlled conditions prevent mishaps.
First blends test the formula.
Dust-free for safety and purity. Early tests catch any issues. Preparing for uniform particles. Ingredients unite in powerful mixers.
Monitored for perfect balance.
Seamless flow to processing. Heat controlled for safety.
Binders create the core compound.
Colors mixed for spectacular displays.
High-energy mixes handled with care. Automation ensures precision.
Viscosity perfect for shaping.
Shaped for explosive stars. Pellets form the heart of bursts. Dried to stable perfection. Cooled for safe handling.
Samples verify potency.
Refined for consistency.
Processed and primed. Compounds transform into stars.
Precision in every step.
Shapes emerge dramatically. Timing fused perfectly. Shells encase the power. Layers for sequenced shows.
Lifts propel the spectacle.
Tests confirm performance.
Casings protect and direct. Sounds add thrill. Vivid colors intensified.
Multi-breaks for grand finales.
Wrapped for safe transport. Simulations predict beauty. Polished for perfection. Synchronized for efficiency. Transformation achieved. Ready for assembly and packaging.
filling brings life to shells.
Labels inform and warn.
Efficient packaging in action. Tubes built for sequences. Cakes for prolonged displays. Fuses ignite the show.
Tracked for distribution.
Palletized for shipping.
Secured for transit.
And this being upping at 3 entertain thinking on reading.
Assembly verified.
Tailored for markets. Packaged and ready. Visual checks spot flaws. Performance tested rigorously. Integrity ensured. Labels compliant.
Samples confirm quality.
Safety standards met.
Weights precise.
Rejects minimized. Approved for the world. Loaded for global distribution. Logistics orchestrate delivery.
Global reach prepared. Ready for consumers.
From raw to radiant.
And that's how fireworks is made, from start to finish.
In vast modern farms, millions of turkeys begin their journey under careful human oversight.
Farmers monitor flocks daily, ensuring optimal nutrition from corn and soy-based feeds.
Broad-breasted breeds grow rapidly, reaching market weight in just months.
Precision feeding systems deliver balanced diets without hormones or steroids.
Climate control maintains ideal conditions for healthy growth.
At maturity, turkeys are humanely prepared for transport to processing.
Experienced crews ensure calm handling during collection.
Modern conveyors minimize stress compared to traditional methods.
Crates provide ventilation and space during short journeys.
Harvest complete, the flock heads to the processing facility. Efficient logistics ensure fresh arrival within hours.
Millions of turkeys move seamlessly from farm to factory each year.
Specialized trucks maintain ventilation and temperature during the short journey. Strict biosecurity protocols begin at the entrance. Climate-controlled docks maintain food safety standards. Automated systems gently move birds into the facility. Calm, low-light environments reduce stress before processing.
Reusable crates support sustainable logistics.
From here, the transformation into food products begins.
Rigorous cleaning prevents contamination at every stage.
Computer-controlled pacing optimizes throughput. Inside, state-of-the-art systems turn raw birds into premium roast turkey. This advanced facility produces millions of roast turkeys annually.
Thousands of skilled workers keep the operation running 24/7.
Strict entry protocols ensure hygiene from the start.
Personal protective equipment is mandatory throughout.
Multi-stage hand hygiene eliminates risks.
Foot baths add another layer of biosecurity.
Airlocks maintain clean zones inside.
Here, precision engineering meets food production. Real-time oversight ensures quality and efficiency.
Safety and hygiene are non-negotiable priorities.
Organized layouts prevent cross-contamination.
Overhead systems keep products off the floor.
Sustainable systems manage byproducts responsibly.
Humane electrical stunning renders birds insensible instantly.
Precise scalding loosens feathers without damaging skin. Mechanical pluckers achieve near-perfect removal in seconds.
Feathers are collected for bedding and fertilizer. Cleaned birds now enter the core processing stage. Variable speeds match staffing and quality needs.
Human eyes catch what machines might miss.
Skilled hands ensure perfect presentation.
Air drying prepares for internal processing. Seamless transfers maintain continuous flow.
Government oversight guarantees food safety compliance.
Initial cleaning complete. Transformation accelerates.
Necks are saved for soup stock production.
Final internal structures are cleared.
Needs rewash.
Human inspection ensures zero contamination.
Immediate chilling slows bacterial growth. Precise grading directs birds to specific roast lines.
Removing the uropygial gland enhances taste.
Tips are collected for stock or pet food.
We'll take this one for the lab analysis.
Ongoing sampling verifies process control.
Hours of air chilling achieve food-safe temperatures naturally.
Dry skin ensures better seasoning adhesion. Ground-level conveyors begin roast-specific processing. Precise brine enhances juiciness and flavor.
Quality checks confirm even distribution.
Humbling tenderizes and deeply infuses flavor. Excess marinade is recycled for efficiency. Traditional stuffing adds classic roast appeal.
Trussing ensures even cooking and presentation.
Tucked wings prevent burning during roast. Butter basting creates golden, crispy skin. Final seasoning builds rich, roasted flavor. High-capacity ovens begin the roasting transformation. Precise time temperature profiles ensure perfect doneness. From raw to roast, the main transformation is complete. Sensors guarantee every turkey reaches safe internal temperature. Centralized automation optimizes the entire process. Vision systems ensure consistent golden appearance.
Advanced imaging protects consumer safety.
Precise weights guide packaging decisions.
Robots reduce labor in repetitive tasks.
Vacuum sealing extends shelf life dramatically.
Multiple detection layers ensure purity. Traceability tracks every bird from farm to store.
Automated sorting prepares for palletizing.
Robots build stable loads for shipping. Secure wrapping protects during transport. Driverless vehicles move products efficiently.
Data-driven decisions maximize output.
Elastic netting creates classic holiday presentation. Timers provide consumer cooking confidence.
Included gravy enhances the home cooking experience.
Strong seals maintain vacuum integrity. Shrink wrapping conforms to every contour. Rapid cooling locks in the perfect shape.
Just-in-time packaging reduces storage needs.
Human touch ensures careful presentation.
Chilled packs maintain cold chain.
Secure sealing prepares for distribution. Clear labeling ensures accurate delivery. Optimized patterns maximize truckloads. Protectors prevent damage in transit. Digital records support traceability.
Strapping looks secure here.
Yes, completely aligned, ready for transport.
Precision finishing guarantees premium products.
Random sampling covers every production batch.
Advanced testing detects issues within hours.
Human senses validate technical data.
Optimal moisture delivers succulent meat.
Rigorous allergen controls protect consumers.
No product ships without full clearance.
Documentation accompanies every shipment.
Comprehensive records support third-party audits.
Only perfect products leave the facility.
Temperature-controlled storage preserves freshness. High-density storage holds thousands of roasts.
Real-time inventory ensures first in, first out.
Precise picking matches retailer needs. Orders consolidated for efficient loading. Proper loading prevents shifting en route. Pre-cooling maintains unbroken cold chain. Seals ensure tamper-proof transport. Millions of roast turkeys head to stores nationwide.
And this is how modern factories produce roast turkey from start to finish.
A seamless journey from farm to table. Behind every holiday meal is industrial precision. Modern food production at its most advanced.
Every year, millions of vehicles reach the end of their road life.
These end-of-life vehicles begin their journey in vast collection yards.
Specialized tow operators carefully extract them for processing.
Keep it coming, easy now.
One by one, they are gathered from across the country.
In the U.S. alone, over 12 million cars are retired annually.
This raw material, steel bodies and frames, awaits transformation.
Harvested from urban and rural sites alike.
Bound for centralized recycling plants.
Millions of tons of potential steel ready for rebirth.
The extraction phase complete. Transport begins. A continuous harvest, feeding the cycle.
Skilled teams ensure safe collection.
The harvested vehicles now travel to specialized recycling centers. Secure transport ensures millions of tons arrive safely.
Every load is documented for traceability.
Here the vehicles begin their transformation.
Skilled teams prepare for efficient offloading.
Heavy machinery takes over the heavy lifting. Scale demands relentless coordination.
Crane 1, lower the next batch now. Clear the line.
Human oversight ensures smooth transport inside.
Internal transport now begins. Every vehicle tracked from source to steel. Into the heart of the recycling facility.
Welcome to one of the world's largest car-to-rail recycling plants.
A 24/7 operation employing thousands. Safety is paramount in this high-energy environment. From scrapped cars to new rails for the nation. A self-contained ecosystem of recycling and manufacturing.
The human element powers this transformation.
Beyond these doors lies the intense processing core.
Centralized monitoring ensures optimal flow.
Modern emissions control protects the environment. Every component finds a new purpose. Operations never sleep.
A leader in circular steel economy.
First, hazardous materials are safely removed.
Batteries recycled separately for lead recovery.
Tires sent to specialized rubber recycling. preventing contamination at every step. Valuable platinum group metals recovered here. Glass processed into cullet for reuse.
Non-metallics diverted early.
Engines often refurbished or recycled separately.
High-value copper extracted before shredding.
Safety systems neutralized professionally. Now stripped to primarily steel.
Final safety verification.
Precision engineering protects workers.
The core destruction phase begins.
In seconds, a car becomes thousands of pieces. Raw shred contains ferrous and non-ferrous mix.
Capacity to process a car every 10 seconds.
Expert control prevents jams. Air quality maintained throughout.
Clean, sharp-edged steel ready for separation.
Non-ferrous metals have high value. Primary material destined for the steel mill. Internal transport to melting.
Precision maintenance keeps uptime high.
Streamlined flow maximizes efficiency.
Cleanliness is critical.
From fragments to molten steel, next. The shredded steel enters the electric arc furnace.
Temperatures will reach 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Electricity provides clean, powerful heat.
Decarburization refines the steel. Slag removed for aggregate use. Precise chemistry achieved. 160 tons of liquid steel ready. Secondary metallurgy fine-tunes composition. Rail steel requires specific strength. Continuous casting shapes the steel. Even flow prevents defects. From liquid to solid in minutes. Billets reheated to 1,200 degrees for rolling. Uniform temperature, critical for quality. Surface preparation ensures flawless rails. From square to rail profile in multiple passes. Computer systems maintain micron precision. Shape refined, pass by pass. Universal stands create the iconic rail shape. Automation ensures every millimeter meets standard. Controlled cooling prevents warping. Final geometry perfected. Full traceability maintained. Automation reduces heavy manual work.
Industry 4.0 in action.
Seamless high-tech integration. Seamless Barntech integration. Rails cut to customer-specified lengths. Rails cut to customer-specified lengths. Cold sawing ensures perfect end squareness. Exact hole patterns for joint reliability. Exact hole patterns for joint reliability. Non-destructive testing guarantees safety. Non-destructive testing guarantees safety. Only perfect rails proceed. Heat treatment enhances hardness. Zero tolerance for imperfections. Meeting premium rail standards. Protection during storage and transport.
Full identification for life.
Ready for quality release. Precise inventory control. Precision work complete.
Final verification awaits.
Every heat undergoes rigorous testing. Mechanical properties verified.
Strength exceeds international standards.
Exact alloy content confirmed.
Ready for the world's railways. Traceability from car to rail. Science ensures safety. Continuous improvement in action.
final stage before dispatch.
Inventory ready for global delivery. Continuous flow out to infrastructure.
Safety to the last mile.
Millions of old cars transformed.
And this is how modern factories produce railway tracks from start to finish.
Subscribe for more Inside Manufacturing Factory Breakdowns.